If you've been in digital marketing, sales, or analytics, you've probably heard that third party cookies are disappearing. But here's the real question: what does that actually mean for businesses like yours? How do you track your visitors, optimize your marketing campaigns, and continue personalizing experiences without third party cookies following users across the web? For years, these little tracking files have powered everything from remarketing ads to customer insights. And now, in response to growing privacy concerns, Google, Safari, and Firefox are shutting them down for good. If you're relying on them, you're running out of time. But here's the thing: this isn't the end of tracking, it's the beginning of something better, a shift towards a privacy first party data driven approach. And in this video, we'll dive into exactly how you can future proof your marketing using first party data, deep tracking, and Sales Panel's powerful cross domain tracking system. Let's break it down. To understand why this change is happening, we need to talk about third-party cookies and why they became a problem. For years, companies have used them to track users across multiple websites, often without their knowledge or consent. Every time you visit a website, ad networks plant cookies that follow you as you browse, collecting behavioral data to serve you targeted ads. It's why you can search for a pair of sneakers once and then see them everywhere for the next 2 weeks. But users started noticing, they started questioning, why do brands know so much about me? Privacy advocates raised alarms, governments stepped in, regulations like GDPR and CCPA forced companies to rethink their data collection strategies. And browsers, starting with Safari and Firefox, began blocking third party cookies by default. Now, Google Chrome is following suit with plans to eliminate them entirely by 2025. And here's the kicker: without third party cookies, traditional tracking and retargeting systems will break. Ad networks, analytics tools, and marketing platforms built on third party data are scrambling for alternatives. But while the industry panics, there's actually a much better way to track users, personalize experiences, and improve marketing efficiency without violating privacy laws. And that's through first party data and deep tracking, the new foundation for marketing. The end of third party cookies doesn't mean the end of tracking, it just means we have to track smarter. Enter first party data, the data that users willingly share when they engage with your business directly. Every page they visit, every form they fill, every email they open, it's all data you collect firsthand without relying on third parties. And here's why it's so powerful: it's yours. You control it. You don't have to rely on ad networks or shady tracking pixels that may or may not work tomorrow. With first party data, you get accurate, privacy compliant insights into how users interact with your brand on your website, in your emails, and across your digital ecosystem. The problem is, most companies aren't using this data properly. They collect it, but they don't connect the dots. They don't truly understand their users, and that's where Sales Panel's deep tracking changes the game. Sales Panel is a first party tracking solution that gives businesses complete visibility into their website visitors, leads, and customer journeys without third party cookies. Instead of relying on external tracking, Sales Panel uses first party scripts to collect behavioral data directly from your website. This means you still get detailed insights into how visitors engage with your content, which pages they browse, and when they're showing buying intent, all while staying compliant with privacy laws. Imagine a visitor lands on your pricing page. Traditional analytics would give you a page view count and maybe a bounce rate. But with Sales Panel, you're tracking the actual lead, seeing how they arrived, how long they stayed, and whether they came back. Even if they leave and return weeks later, you still know exactly who they are and what they're interested in without needing third-party cookies. This isn't just tracking, it's intelligent tracking. SalesPanel doesn't just collect raw data, it enriches it, scoring leads based on their engagement, identifying high-intent visitors, and syncing everything seamlessly with your CRM and marketing automation tools. Solving one of the biggest cookieless challenges. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. One of the biggest limitations of traditional first-party tracking is that it's often limited to a single domain. If a visitor moves from your landing page to your main website, traditional analytics tools lose track of them. SalesPanel solves this with cross-domain tracking, a cookieless method of stitching user sessions together across multiple websites. Whether they visit a blog, a webinar page, or your pricing page, SalesPanel connects the entire journey in a way that's privacy safe and fully compliant. This is game-changing for businesses with multiple domains, landing pages, and sales funnels. No more fragmented data, no more guessing whether the lead from your webinar is the same one checking out your product demo. SalesPanel gives you one unified customer journey, no third-party cookies required. Okay, so we've covered tracking, but what about retargeting? If cookies are dead, does that mean remarketing is dead too? Not at all. You just have to do it differently. With SalesPanel, you can use first-party data for retargeting, not by stalking users across the web, but by leveraging real behavioral insights. Instead of blindly running ads at everyone who visited your site, you can target high-intent visitors based on their actual engagement. You can segment users who spent time on your pricing page, watched a demo, or downloaded an ebook, and sync that data directly into platforms like LinkedIn, Google Ads, and email marketing tools. No creepy tracking, just smart, ethical retargeting that actually works. So the conclusion is the future of marketing is cookieless. The death of third-party cookies isn't the end of tracking. It's a shift towards something better, more privacy conscious, and more effective. First-party data, deep tracking, and tools like SalesPanel are making it possible to understand your customers, optimize your marketing, and drive sales without violating privacy laws. If you want to future-proof your marketing strategy, now is the time to start. Click the link in the description to try SalesPanel for free and take your tracking to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this useful. See you in the next video.